Time to move on to parallel line proofs. So these are still geometric proofs, but this is basically, this is where we want to end up. We want to be able to prove that a line is parallel. First, though, we are going to take this and we are going to prove our alternate interior angles theorem. So given that A is parallel to B, so I've marked these two lines parallel, I'll give you a second to do that as well. We want to prove that angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. So we want to prove that these two angles are congruent. You should mark those. Okay, so A is parallel to B. I'm not going to write that reason. I expect you to be able to do that on your own. So we're just going to kind of move on with our lives. This should have a reason written. Okay, awesome. Now we have measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 equals 180 degrees. 3 and 4, what do they form? So this is going to be the definition of a linear pair. Hopefully you figured that out on your own. Sorry, I'm resituating. Okay. Now we need measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 6 equals 180 degrees. So if you look here, we have angle 4 and angle 6. We want the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 6 equal 180 degrees. There's a theorem that we can use for that. And it is the consecutive interior angles theorem. Okay, now we have the measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 equals measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 6. So these two, well, really, we can pull that straight from 2 and 3. So 3 plus 4 equals 180, 4 plus 6 equals 180. What property does that use? Yeah, our best friend, the transitive property. Okay, now measure of angle 3 equals measure of angle 6. What I actually want you to do is I want you to look at the last proof that we did in our geometric proofs. This one. I want you guys to finish this proof by yourselves. You can check it in a couple slides, but for now I just want you to finish it, okay? I'll give you like 30 seconds to do that. Well, no, go ahead and stop the video and finish the proof, and when you're done with the proof, then you can move on.